All right, everyone, your task 3 this week is to start taking pictures for the elements of art and the principles of design scavenger hunt. So the previous assignment, we talked about the elements of art: color, texture, shape, line, space, and sometimes form and value. So there's a reference for you there. And we also talked about the principles of design: balance, contrast, emphasis, movement, pattern, rhythm, and unity. You are asked to go out and take some pictures. And so I have a handout for you. Here it is. And it's important that you read through the directions to make sure you understand what you're asked to do. During this unit, I wrote down some goals that you're going to learn about. And I also presented some steps for you. Watch the video, do your research, go out and take some pictures. Try to remember to use clear subject in your photographs, the attribute of light. Think about the composition skills that you have explored this week, and take photographs of the elements of art. We might do principles of designs this week or next week, so you can start taking some of those as well. You'll upload all your pictures to your Google folder. And if you need a refresher on how to set up your Google Drive folder or how to upload pictures from your phone into your Google Drive, those videos are here for you. Looking at my folder, let's see. Here's kind of a little video of me walking through my pictures that I took for the scavenger hunt. So if you would like to listen to that, that might help you understand kind of what you're asked to do. I also have a link to my folder, and so you can see the different pictures that I took at a playground and out in the back parking lot between Park Center and Brooklyn Noble, and then around my house, and kind of talking about all the different pictures that you can start taking. You can see I have some pictures of Rufus and Tank. We'll do animal portraits in black and white, trying to take pictures of movement. Portraits, we'll do a portrait unit coming up. So start taking pictures and uploading them into your Google Drive. And some of these are elements of art, and some of them are principles of design, like repetition, contrast between the circles and the lines, emphasis, unity and variety. So take as many pictures as you can. I think I ask about 40 in all for elements and principles, and put them in a folder, and we will edit them when you come back next week. Good luck, have fun.